Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the arena. In this video, I will explain how to play Roller Champions. The core objective is simple: be the first team to score 5 points. To do this, your team must gain possession of the ball and complete laps around the track. There are 3 types of successful laps, each offering a different point value. We will explore these scoring mechanics and essential gameplay strategies to help you dominate the rink and lead your team to victory. Effective movement is key in Roller Champions. Practice skating smoothly and dodging incoming tackles to keep the ball. Teamwork is crucial. Pass the ball to your teammates to maintain possession and advance towards the goal. When on defense, use the tackle mechanic to steal the ball from your opponents. Coordinating your movements and passes with your team will create powerful offensive drives and strong defensive stands. Scoring in Roller Champions involves completing laps while maintaining possession of the ball. If your team completes 1 full lap and then scores, you earn 1 point. For a more significant advantage, complete 2 full laps before scoring to net 3 points. The ultimate goal is to complete 3 full laps with possession, which awards a game-winning 5 points. Strategically decide when to score versus when to push for more laps. To truly excel, coordinate your offensive drives with your teammates, creating openings for high-value scores. On defense, aggressively protect your goal to deny opponents any scoring opportunities. While 1-point and 3-point scores are valuable, always aim for the 5-point score when possible, as it instantly wins the match. Effective communication and strategic play will be your greatest assets in becoming a Roller Champions master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.